Hey guys, this is Belinda from Bolde Learning, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to set up your own files for Articulate Rise when creating your own banners, rise dividers and joiners for custom blocks. This is a question that I have been getting quite a bit on our YouTube channel, and a lot of people are wondering, what are your file sizes? What are the dimensions? What programs are you using? And can you walk us through how you're designing it all the way through to putting it into Rise and publishing your file? So I've listened and I'm going to be walking you through that today. So let's get started. So firstly, you want to design your top and bottom banners and also your main banners in a design program. I'm using Adobe Illustrator here. However, you can also set these same dimensions up in Canva. Now, I've provided the dimensions for you here for the joiner for the main banner size as well. So screenshot or write that down so you can take a note. Now, depending on the design that you have, you can change the height to suit what you're designing, but keep in mind that you'll want to work with at least 1000 pixels in width. Once you're happy with the top and bottom design of your joiners, my recommendation is to export it as a PNG or an SVG, making sure that the background remains transparent so it gives you flexibility to change that colour in Rise if you need to join it and butt it up against another background colour. Alright, now you'll see here the previous design that I have. I'm going to remove the top and the bottom joiners there and start from scratch. You'll see here that I've created a custom block initially, so I want to take note of what this background hex number is, and that is what I've made sure that my top and bottom joiners are. So to place those in, I'm going to go into my blocks, and in image, I will go to image full width. This is where I'll be placing in my PNG. I need to make sure that the padding up the top, that the bottom padding is at 0, so there's no gap to match that custom block that I have underneath it. We want it to butt up perfectly. So this is where I'll then go and find my PNG and drag that in there, and it should butt up quite nicely now that I have updated my padding at the bottom. Likewise, what I'm going to do for the bottom joiner is I just need to make sure that the top padding is at 0 as well. So that will then butt up to the base of the custom block. Now I always go into preview mode just to double check there are no sneaky little gaps there, because sometimes what I've designed in Illustrator may have a very small gap at the top or the bottom of the artboard. So I'm just doing a double check here. And finally, I'm just going to go through and preview the whole layout. So you can see my custom banners are sitting up there. They're also a full width. And you can see how I've used a variety of different designs here to fit in with the overall look and feel. Some are grey, some are dark blue, some have circular motifs on it. Some of them are very plain because there's a video in the middle of that block. So we're just checking that everything's running smoothly and that it works well on both the desktop version and also the devices in both portrait mode and landscape mode. Especially with the motifs, you find that you may have to adjust your template a little bit just to make sure that it's displaying how you intend in the device, portrait or landscape format. And there you go, that's how I create my custom joiners and banners within Articulate Rise. I'd love to know what software that you would use to create these banners in. Would it be helpful if I created a template in either Illustrator or Canva for you? Leave me a comment and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks, guys.